So we've got all of our values calculated for this table. Now what we want to do is format it in, in the way that you would for a scientific publication, right? So in a scientific publication, um, the titles at the top are bold, so I'm going to make those bold, right? And there's also a border above and below the titles. So I clicked bold and now I'm gonna select borders and I want one above and one below the title. Okay, so you see those lines right there. So this is standard scientific format. You've got a line above the titles and below the titles, and the titles are bold. And then at the very bottom of the table, you have another border at the very bottom. So there you go. Okay, so that's our table. It's all set to go. Now I'm going to highlight the whole thing. So you could do this too. Just highlight the whole thing by clicking and holding, and then you can copy. Oops, so edit, copy, and we're gonna paste this into a Word document. So here I'm gonna open up a new one and I'm gonna paste it in. And once it's in there, you can kind of move it around, maybe resize as you need to fit it in. And then what you need to do, whoops, let's see. If something goes wrong, you can always undo, which you probably know. So I'm just gonna undo. And I'm actually, what I forgot to do is I need to put a title above the table. So I'm just gonna slip that in there first, right? And then the table would go below this title here, okay? And again, you can kind of move it around. You know, I know this is your first time with all this, so if the formatting isn't perfect, that's no big deal. Just, you know, kind of give it your best shot, and it'll be good as long as the formatting and the title and the numbers and calculations look correct. Yeah, you'll be fine. Okay. So, like I said, you can kind of play with how this is formatted a little bit, so you can fit in all of the values, and I'll kind of let you do that on your own because I'm sure you can figure it out better than I can right here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, almost had it. Let's try that again. Now it doesn't want to. There we go. Okay, so now we can see the full table. And that looks really nice. Okay, so there we go.